So now we move to the next link, like suppose in student module, the student roll call list. So the student roll call list is nothing but where we can generate the list with respect to the students in the particular class and division. So for generating roll call list, we need to make sure that all students have been applied in the particular class and their division. So once after updating their classes and divisions to the students, we can generate roll call list. Like click on generate roll call list, select the class, select the division, enter the first roll number. Suppose I go to 1 and just click on search. So this will be the listing automatically generated with respect to their last name. By sorting with their last name, the list is being generated, and this will be the roll numbers assigned to a particular student. And just we have to verify it once and just click on generate roll call list. So this list will be generated with respect to the following applied roll number. And if we want to change anybody's roll number, then we can also change. Suppose some students have the same last name and we want to conflict the roll number, then we can just edit here. Like suppose this Patil Srishti and Patil Priyanshu, I want to set the roll number as Priyansha as first and then Srishti. Then I will change this to 11 and this to 10. As the roll numbers are edited in this field, they will be generated the roll numbers. So no problem of like suppose if we want to edit any of the number, then we can edit over there. So these are the listing arranged, like suppose first are the girls. First listing are girls and then the listing are of boys. So first girls listing is sorted with respect to their last name and then the boys are listed with respect to their last name. So this is the where we generate the roll call list, and once the roll call list is generated, we can view the roll call list. From roll call list, select the class, select the division and just click on search. So this is the roll call list, final roll call list generated in the click on submit system. So that I will now we'll go to the next link, like exit entry. So exit entry is nothing but where we just select the student has been rated the student, and we want to make their exit entry so that we can get reports accordingly. So the student particularly was studying in our school last year and maybe how he has left the school, then we can add this entry from here, which we exit department. Add exit entry, just make sure that to enter students from the list and we have to click on the save button. So the student classes are added from once the department has searched. If you want to also classes we add from settings, we can select the date, the date of leaving school, reason for leaving school, and status. Now there can be conditions like some students left the school before promoting and some students left after promoting. So if the students are been promoted and then if anybody wants to leave the school, then there will be a text box. We have to check that text box if promoted. And since it is not promoted, the status will be remain as not promoted and just click on submit. And we'll get the reports accordingly of the exit details. Like suppose department, I select the department, select the class, and select the date, then just click on submit. New division name and just click on. Okay, by default the students are get promoted. I get the list of exited students. Functionality is different. Exited students, and if we want to release those exited students, if some student has been done in exit entry by mistake or by settings are purposefully, and again you want to for those students means like take the student and use the 25,000 into the system, make the student live in our system. So we have to just click on release over here. So after release the student will be again displayed in our student search and all links. So after that we have to make sure it's class and division once by editing record, and then we can move towards all these academic records. So this is what about exit entry of the student. Then after exit entry, this is the barcode. So barcode generation is mostly useful for displaying on the iCards. So the student ID card where the reflection of barcode is displayed, so that barcodes are generated from here. Like select class, select the division and just click on submit. So the barcodes will be generated and applied to that students accordingly. And if previously the barcodes are generated, they will remain same, but the newly added students and their barcodes will be generated. Now document attached while taking admission, these are the fields which we need to take. Means suppose some documents are to be filled afterwards, to be submitted afterwards, then we have to just untick here and tick those documents which are submitted to the schools and just click on submit. Once we have submit this full form, the student will be enrolled in our system.